welcome to my channel. And yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walmart / Ibotta haul. It was actually pretty good. I had the President's Day bonus that I wanted to hit. That was my main priority. And then I was also trying to get level 4 done, but I didn't because a lot of the stores didn't have what I wanted or the deal that I wanted to do or the prices I didn't want to pay for it. So I will definitely be hitting I'm losing my mind. I will definitely be hitting level 4 next week. So you guys have some time. You have some time. But if you guys could try to get that President's Day sale bonus. It was $5 and I just needed 15 rebates, and I hit it between Walmart and Target. So I'm here to show you guys what I got. I ended up getting the Axe shampoo. This was $3.97. There is a $1 or $2 off coupon that you guys can print off of coupons.com. You guys would just pay $1.97 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 97 cents. And that's going to be your typical price for all Axe stuff. Literally, you know, so definitely do that deal. This is a great deal. There's a lot of Axe stuff on there, but this is the only shampoo stuff. The other stuff is all the body products, so hopefully we get some coupons and do those deals also. I am going to stock up on the Gain. These were $2.97. There's those $2 off coupons that we got, I think, like 2 Sundays ago. You guys would just get this for 97 cents, which I think is an awesome deal. This is fabric softener, and that is one thing I do not have a lot in my stockpile. When I donate boxes to like some of my friends, they always ask if I have fabric softener, and I'm like, yeah, no I don't, but now I do. So I'm gonna be stocking up. I'm getting as much coupons as I got. I think I got like 10 of them, so I'll be definitely going crazy with that deal because that's a lot of fabric softener for 97 cents. Can't go wrong. And the smell is actually pretty decent. I actually use this stuff right now, and I mean it's Hawaiian, island fresh, you know, but whatever. It does what it's supposed to do. I ended up getting, I'm losing things, I ended up getting the Crunch Master Crackers. This is a repeat thing that I've been getting every week. These were $2.78. There is actually a $1 off coupon on coupons.com that you guys can print off. You guys would just pay $1.78 for this, but then you can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta plus a $1 rebate on checkout 51. You guys would get this for 22-cent moneymaker. So this would be absolutely free plus some money back. So that is a great deal if you guys want some crackers. I ended up getting the Tic-Tac Gum. My husband is like, oh, that looks so cool, and he's so excited. He's like, I want to get more Tic-Tac Gum. Okay, but in order to get more gram, you need to start eating it or chewing it. So I'll get you more as long as you chew it. He'll watch this and he'll be like, hey, I'll eat it. I'll give it to my friends. Sorry. So these are $1.14. We have 50-cent off coupons that we got in some inserts a while back ago. You guys would end up paying 64 cents for this, but then there's an Ibotta deal for Tic Tacs. And it's only through Walmart. So that deal is only good through Walmart for the 50-cent Ibotta deal. Just letting you guys know on that. And there are 2 different rebates. So these count as 2 separate rebates. So these end up becoming just 14 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal. I think I might be giving away Tic Tacs this year or gum for Halloween. It's crazy. And why not give them both? So we got... Okay, just hold on, sweetie. I got the Contadina whole tomatoes. I can never say this correctly. I'm sorry. And I did make my salsa video. I will be posting that soon for since we're getting a lot of these. So these were, did you go make Mommy a pretty thing? Can you show Mommy?
No, I want to put it on the plate and then it will be gone.
You what?
Be gone.
It's going to be gone?
Yeah.
Where'd you put it?
It's on the back.
Okay, thank you. So these were $1.54. You guys want to use a 50-cent coupon from coupons.com. You guys would end up just paying $1.04 for this, but then you can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 54 cents. Hey, can you not make a lot of noise there, little guy? So 54 cents for this I think is a great deal. And yes, I will be posting my salsa video that I made with the canned tomatoes. So stay tuned for that. I love that salsa. I ended up doing the Kleenex deal. Now look at this box. Isn't this nice? Yeah, this is, they only had one good one and the rest were all like this. This is the best one I could grab out of whatever else they had. But it's just tissues, it's not a big deal. I'm going to end up putting this in one of those little things that have a cover over it because this is ridiculous. So these were, I'll grab the nicer one so you guys can stare at the nicer one. These were $1.58. You guys want to use a 50 cents off a 2 coupon from coupons.com. You guys would pay $2.66 for 2 of these, but then you guys can submit a $1 off rebate for the 2 on Ibotta, making the final price for these just $1.66 for 2 of them. I don't know what that noise is. $1.66 or 83 cents. So we got that. Hey, what's that noise? What do you got?
Again?
You got my crafts? You got my, did you grab my ribbon out, Benny Pooh?
No, again.
Oh, okay. So the next deal I got is the hefty Ziploc baggies. I need more freezer baggies. So I got these. These were $1.98. Okay, hold on, sweetie. These were $1.98. I used $1 off a 2 coupon. You guys would pay $2.96 for these. But then you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for these just $1.46 or 73 cents, which I think is a great deal. So definitely do that. Benjamin, can you not make a lot of noise, please? That is Tic-Tacs. The background noise of the day is Tic-Tacs in a bucket, a pumpkin bucket. So we got, sorry. The next deal we got is the Chosen Foods Avocado Oil Spray. Now they do have other Chosen Food stuff, but this is the cheapest one. And so when you submit my receipt, when I submit my receipt, I have 2 different rebates that pop up for $1.50. So just letting you guys know on that. So this is $4.48. I have a, you guys would pay $4.48 for this, but then I had $1.50 and a different $1.50 rebate pop up. So these come out to be $1.48 for this, which I think is a great deal. So can't go wrong with avocado spray. I ended up getting this Brooks chili beans. My husband loves making chili with this stuff. So this is 78 cents. You guys would pay 78 cents for this. But then you guys can submit a 25-cent rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 53 cents, which is a pretty great deal for a can of beans. The next deal I got is some treats for the kitty cat. These were $1.50. You guys want to use that 55-cent off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would just pay 95 cents for this. But then you guys will get a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta. And since I did this last week and this week, I ended up getting a 25-cent bonus. So there was that included. And then I got the Meow Mix cups. My cat knows the word cups. She understands. She gets a treat, or she gets one of these when I say cups, but I don't know where she's at right now. But I like this. I think this is a great deal. It's more portion control. I mean, you don't get a lot, but it definitely, you know, is a good treat for my cat. So these were $4.56. There's a $1 off coupon that you guys want to use that we got a couple weeks ago. You guys would just pay $3.56 for these, but then you can submit a $1.75 rebate on Ibotta, making the price for this just $1.81, which I think is a pretty good deal. Each cup comes out to be 15 cents a piece, so that's actually cheaper doing it this deal than if you buy the 2-pack of these cups. And that was my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did hit level 5, or I didn't finish level 4, but I did hit the President's Day bonus. So you guys definitely want to do that. That's $5 for free. So that'll definitely add on. So my total came to $23.40 for everything. I ended up getting $11.50 back with Ibotta. Plus, I got that $5 bonus for the 15 rebates. And then I got that 25-cent bonus for the Meow Mix. And then I also will receive a $1 rebate from Checkout 51 for the crackers. So, it's right there behind you. It's in that box right there. So, for everything, I got 15 items. Everything came to be $5.65. That comes out to be 38. It's right there. It comes out to be 38 cents for everything. I think that is a great. I think that is a great deal for everything. You got 15 items for $5. That's a great deal. And, you know, I didn't get as much food as I did last time, but hey, you know, I got some pretty decent things. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button so I know you guys enjoy it. And stay tuned for next week for another, my kids' bedtime. Just hit the red subscribe button so you can see more chaos while I'm trying to film my videos. Yeah. See you guys later. Bye-bye.